Queen of dancehall living in Uganda.
RHINO ranch. Yo, Spice, welcome to the motherland. It's 50Kalibar. I'm taking over the tour today. Keep it cinematic.
Daja ho.
Woman has Spice, I have 50Kalibar. Zaichi.
Stepping out the plane, boots, white hair, blue. Uganda, me there, me a pass through. Wilderness, fresh, the sky looking brand new. But wait, something big moving at the view.
Yo, Spice, no need for the fright. I'm the guy today, I lead you to the light. Them rhinos every year, them built with might. Just stay behind me, everything alright.
Jesus! Bumbleclad, 50, you see that? Look how it big, look how it fat. Bumbleclad, RHINO na the bush and it looking like a lot.
Blue a vibe, yeah we touch the top spot. 50Kalibar and Spice, the link up hot.
Bumbleclad, RHINO na the bush and it looking like a lot.
See what vibe, yeah we touch the top spot. 50Kalibar and Spice, the link up hot. Tie cooler, see news I jerk. Tie cooler, see news I jerk. Tie cooler, see news I jerk.
Tell booba, be funny na me and me I capture the scene. Zero ranch, everything look green. RHINO walking close like a king and a queen. Strongest animal me ever did see.
Catty Spice, Gin and Pola. Don't let the fear come and take you over. In a Uganda we are the sole controller. From the ghetto streets to the RHINO enclosure.
50 me nervous, me heart a beat fast. Give it to me up this vibe blast. Bumbleclad, RHINO na the bush and it looking like a lot.
Uganda vibe, yeah we touch the top spot. 50Kalibar Spice, the link up hot.
Bumbleclad, RHINO na the bush and it looking like a lot.
Uganda vibe, yeah we touch the top spot. 50Kalibar Spice, the link. Me calling Gracie, or maybe Zilla.
In a Uganda me feel like a killer.
Hichong,
Or maybe Zilla.
in a Uganda, me feel like a killer. Fichong, what up on your man, yo Ming? That's a big name for a big beast. Welcome to the Pearl, come and have a feast. From the west to the north, down to the east. 50Kalibar, keep the peace at least.
Bumbleclad, from Kingston to Kampala, we have
RHINO ranch, we never forget. The biggest link up the world ever gets.
50Kalibar.
We ballin' ya, we out. Luganda.